And now, broadcast without commercial interruption, directly from the black hole at the center of the universe, with no known affiliates or counterparts, it's the Mr. Phil Show. And here's your host, Mr. Phil.
Hello, thank you, and welcome to Mr. Phil Show. I'm Mr. Phil. I'll be your host for the show. And we have a really exciting show for you today. A show about Hound! Hound! Yes, it's a show about Hound! Very exciting. We're gonna have a hound dog scientist on for you a minute, and we're going to learn. Excuse me. We're going to learn what hound dogs do whenever they do exactly what they're doing. So, without further ado, I'd like to present our hound dog scientist, Mr. Elvis Presley!
Special shout out to our host, Mr. Phil. Thank you for letting me be on your show. Well, now I'm gonna play my song. It ain't nothing but a hound dog, rockin' all the time. It ain't nothing but a hound dog, rockin' all the time. Well, it ain't never more running and you ain't no friend of mine. Well, they said you was high class, well that was just a lie. They said you was high class, well that was just a lie. Well, it ain't never more running and you ain't no friend of mine.
Thank you for that very interesting performance, Mr. Presley.
Thank you.
Well, we'd like to ask you a couple questions, if you don't mind, and first one is, how long have you been a hound dog scientist?
I'm not a scientist, you know, I'm a musician.
Very okay, the next question is, what exactly do you know about hound dogs?
Well, you know, like I said, I don't know much about that science stuff. Yes.
Well, you're outside, that's our quiz game! Oh my goodness, it's time for the quiz game, everybody! Let's see here. Okay, this question is for you, Mr. Presley.
Thank you very much.
It's a true or false question. True or false? Hound dogs have an excellent sense of smell. True or false?
Alright, let me think. I think the answer is true.
Judges, that is correct! Thank you very much. Welcome to the Mr. Phil Show, everybody. We hope to see you next time. Thank you to our special guest, Elvis Presley. And we look forward to seeing you back here on the